So let's say you finish editing your beautiful picture in Lightroom or Photoshop Camera Raw, but you'd like to save this as a preset so that you can use it on future pictures. Here's how you do it. So let's say this is the beautiful picture you've created and you love it as much as I do. Under the Develop tab, go to Presets, hit the plus icon here, create presets. And if this is the first time you're creating a preset, I'd advise you create a new group for it. So new group, let's call this Jerry. Yeah, okay, and hit create and name your preset. Let's call this Jerry 1. Okay, make sure you check all the parameters you want to apply to your preset. I'd advise you check everything except transform and masking. You can add masking to yours, but I choose to not add masking to mine. Anyway, so this is what I'm selecting. After that, go to, make sure you check support amount slider because that's important as well, and then hit create. After hitting create, you see this right here, that's a group, and under the group you have Jerry 1, and that's it. If I go ahead and I apply something else and I come back to Jerry 1, you realize that that is the preset we created. But you don't really need to create your own presets because I've created presets that actually work, presets that are actually magic.
That's what I'm talking about.
They're called my YPC presets, and if you've not heard of them, check the link in the description below and grab yourself these presets. These presets actually work in almost every situation. They are magic, literally. Look at this, brown skin girl, happy hour is on. They're just so beautiful, so check them out if it's something you're into. If you want a video on how these presets actually work, this is a link to the video. I also put the link in the description below. Remember, I am Sir Angel and this is your Photo Chef. See you in the next video. Stay creative and keep smiling. Peace.